Have you ever wondered how big brands persevere over long decades? Their journey is not always full of victories and accomplishments. Sometimes they have to pay a costly price to learn a life lesson. Likewise, in today's case study, we will see how a typing error caused Pepsi a loss of $10 million. Before diving into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. During the never-ceasing rivalry between Coke and Pepsi, each company has made spectacularly wrong marketing decisions. In February 1992, Pepsi launched a campaign entitled as Number Fever in Philippines, and announced that they would print numbers ranging from 1 to 999 inside the caps of Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, and Mirinda bottles. Pepsi allocated $2 million for prizes. Pepsi Number Fever was initially wildly successful and increased Pepsi's monthly sales from $10 million to $14 million and its market share from 19.4% to 24.9%. On May 25, the nightly ABS-CBN Channel 2 news broadcast announced that the grand prize number for that day was 349 as a result of typing error, which were cumulatively worth $32 billion. Thousands of Filipinos rushed to Pepsi bottling plants to claim their prizes. After an emergency PEPSI and PepsiCo executives meeting at 3 a.m. on the 27th, the company offered 500 pesos, $18 to holders of mistakenly printed bottle caps as a gesture of goodwill. 486,170 people would accept this offer at the cost of $8.9 million to PepsiCo. People filed 689 civil suits and more than 5,200 fraud and deception cases. However, Pepsi wasn't entirely at fault. It is believed that this marketing failure was caused by DG Consultors, a Mexican consulting firm that Pepsi had hired to pre-select the winning numbers randomly, and they were clearly instructed not to make the number 349 the winner. Still, they didn't get it. With such a costly mistake, Pepsi couldn't afford to pay everyone the money it promised, and ended up giving $2,000 to each winner instead of the promised $40,000. Regardless, Pepsi spent $10 million for the campaign, more than its original budget of $2 million. The suit reached the Philippine Supreme Court, which in 2006 ruled that the 349 incidents have been laid to rest and must no longer be disturbed in this decision. In a nutshell, Pepsi learned a hard lesson of $10 million due to the negligence of ensuring the right number is made public as a winner. If you like this case study, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel for learning upcoming case studies as well.